Hi everyone, it's Angel here. I'm a business services specialist virtual assistant, and today I will share with you the different kinds of content to engage with your audience. First of all, the education post. In this type of content, you simply teach your audience how to do certain things. It can be, for example, how to make vanilla cake or how to find the right man. Just teach and add value. Number two, quotes. You can inspire your content with positive life or success quotes depending with your kind of industry. Third one, testimonials. Visitors love to check your authenticity by the number of reviews or feedback you're getting. Create time to post reviews from your customers and find ways to get it from your customers so that you can increase your trust level. Fourth one, stories. Everyone loves to read stories. So create stories around your brand or your personality and how they can learn from it. Stories are more effective and can be more engaging. Storytelling is the new kind of content, so work towards learning how to write in a storytelling format. Fifth one, behind the scenes. Your audience wants to see the process behind your work or products. Share what's in the pipeline or if a new launch is coming soon. Make them part of the whole process. Fifth one, product or service marketing. After all the value has been given, it's necessary for you to sell to your audience with subtle persuasion. You shouldn't post about sales every day, so make it 80% education and value and 20% of marketing. Yes, that's right. In that way, your audience won't think that you're all about the money. Of course. So, which of this will you add to your content type? Tag a friend or business owner that can learn from this and save this for future reference. And don't forget to follow my social media pages at Your Virtual Angel 11 and visit my website at www.yourvirtualangel.com. Bye!